What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project, and this one I'm super excited about because it is for my brand new Lamborghini Temerario. So before I drive any of my cars, I do the same thing to it, which is a full body ClearGuard Alpha G2 PPF installation, protecting all of the paint on here, and then tinting it with Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking window film in this entire industry. And after all of that is done, I ceramic coat the entire car to give it added protection from the environment. So we're gonna get this started, check out this entire process, and at the very end, I'll show you the final results. Alright guys, my Temerario is finally completed, so for the rest of this video, I'll take you on a walk around to show you the final results and give you some close-up shots to see where we wrapped the film and also what we did to the entire car. So first off, while we're at the side of the car, let's talk about the window tint. Spectra Photosync IRD. And for those of you who follow our channel, you may have seen that I made another video for the window tint showing the heat rejection properties, how amazing the film does in blocking out the heat that is normally inside the car. The shade that I chose for this, again as a recap, is IRD 30% on the side windows and 70% on the front windshield. What you're looking at right now is 30% under overcast conditions. Normally when the sun is out, the tint will look a little bit lighter, but since it's early morning, it looks a little bit darker right now. The reason why I chose a darker tint shade is that while I was first driving the car without tint on there, it just got really hot. Even when the temperature was about 80 degrees outside and I'm driving the car with the AC blasting, it just got unbearable. So what I decided to do, since I'm planning to drive the car a little bit more than some of my other cars, I went with a darker tint shade so that I have more comfort inside while driving. So again, I didn't want to go blackout, but I thought that this shade would match perfectly with the yellow paint. And also, since throughout this entire car there are really nice black trim panels that contrast with the yellow paint, I decided to go a little bit darker here so that again it gets a little bit more of that contrast throughout the entire car. So now, as we make our way to the front of the car, let's talk about the PPF. ClearGuard Alpha G2, the one that we use exclusively here at Premier. What I really wanted to do is to protect every single panel on this car, and that's exactly what we did. 100% custom installed with the best PPF in this industry. Throughout this entire car, we did it custom so that we could wrap the edges wherever possible, and that includes corners as well. So let's come take a closer look. Around this area right here, as an example, normally when this is a pre-cut template, you would get a notch around these areas. And as you can see, this comes closest to what it would look like as if there's no PPF on there at all. This bottom area, again, no joining pieces down here. The film is brought right up to the panel edge because there's no areas to wrap behind. So even with that, you don't see the edges around here. And what we really pride ourselves in is to maximizing protection without affecting the aesthetics of the car. We want it to still look good without seeing all the dirt lines and seams throughout the whole car. So now, as we make our way to the side, you may see the gloss and reflection of the paint really showing through. ClearGuard Alpha G2 is the best gloss PPF in this industry, and we've tried it all, tested it all, and we find that this one is the best, especially for supercars and high-end luxury cars. It is also the most hydrophobic as well, and the clearest, so that the underlying paint will show through the best without having added any kind of excess orange peel texture like some of the other PPFs. Now, since we're at the side of the car, let's talk about the panel right over here, the doors, and also the mirrors. The mirrors on here are actually quite difficult to do, and as you can see, we covered the entire mirrors, including this bottom side, without the normal joining seams that comes about here. The film protects the inside all the way to the outside, maximizing protection. And again, we pride ourselves in the aesthetics of the installation. On the doors itself, normally when there are mirrors sitting on the doors directly, you would get a joining seam right about here. And as you can see through our process and the results right over here, there are no seams. We wrap the film underneath the mirror stocks. The front leading edges, the rear leading edges, and this bottom area are all wrapped underneath so that we maximize the protection, including this area right over here by the door handles. The panel behind here is also really important to get protected for the Temerario because a lot of the debris that is being kicked up from the front tires will hit this area and just really damage this entire thing really badly as you drive the car more. The rocker panels are also fully protected, and rocker panels are generally very important to get protected because it's lower to the ground. All the debris from the front tires normally hit this backside first, and you will see this backside get peppered as you drive the car more and more. Now, let's make our way to the back side, and I want to show you some panels up top that are what we consider a little bit oversized, and that includes this rear deck area and also the roof. The roof is a really large panel, but we did that as a one-piece installation, covering it from back all the way to the front, including the A-pillar area without any kind of joining seams. The front leading edge, which is very important, is also protected as well. Everywhere that we could wrap the film, basically we would wrap. Now let's make our way to the back side of the car. The rear spoiler, again, is also fully protected, and you can see that there are no joining seams that would normally be present if this was a pre-cut kit. This panel is wrapped from top all the way to the bottom as a single piece installation. Now, one more panel I want to show you for the Temerario that is really important is this rear side bumper area. As you can see, the way that the Temerario is designed, this area is open. So a lot of the debris that is being kicked up from the rear tires bounces up and hits this area, or just gets flung up as you drive. A good way to tell whether or not a certain panel needs protection is by seeing the dirt that collects and is being flung up on this area. So as you can see, this area where you see all the dirt splatter tells me that over time this is a very important area to get protected, and that area will get blasted if not. We do this panel as a one-piece installation as well that protects the outside all the way in here, comes all the way down to the bottom side. One-piece installation without any kind of joining seams in there. And the theme throughout all of our installations for any of our cars is that we want to maximize and protect as many of the panels as possible while giving it the full treatment in terms of custom installation and minimizing seams. And that's what we pretty much did for this entire car. One thing that was really important personally for me and for any of my cars is that I want to get it protected as soon as possible so that I can drive it with more of a peace of mind. And for those who owns cars like these or any kind of high-end luxury cars, you know what I'm talking about when you're driving the car and you hear the rocks and debris clanking on the panels throughout the car and you're just kind of cringing, right? Right now, as I'm driving the car this morning, I'm able to drive it and not have to worry, knowing that the majority of the rocks and debris are being hit and bounced off or disintegrated upon impact because I have full protection on this car. So guys, another project completed, and I want to thank you for watching this. It's actually great timing as the sun is coming out. You actually get to see the condition and how beautiful this car looks. I'm going to be making more videos for this, so until the next one, please stay tuned. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next one, I'll see you soon.